Morning. My name is Persian.
Hi, my name is Gurjan.
Hi, I'm Vinayak Agarwal, and we all study in St. Mark's Senior Secondary Public School, Janakpuri. We all live in New Delhi.
Avishkaar is a great platform for students to learn and to understand concepts of robotics. It provides the opportunity to develop our tech skills and promote unique solutions for the problems faced by society. Makeathon is a competition in which the participants can showcase their talents without any restriction.
We have chosen the theme Combating War and Terrorism as the tank is a powerful defense vehicle which is capable of defeating a foe with a single blow. India is a vast country with different terrains. In such conditions, an all-terrain bot-like tank is highly recommended. Our tank bot provides a unique solution to the military as the soldiers driving the tank become easy targets of the enemy and are prone to die. But our tank bot is a phone operated bot and is operated from a long distance. Tanks can act as barriers and provide cover fire for the military. Development of such equipment is necessary because they are required to protect the nation from external powers like we saw in Ukraine-Russia war.
The Avishkar kit provides the base of the tank. The brain controls the motors which power the tires with grip. The gripped tires rotate with the gripless tires with the help of axle rods. This helps the robot to move. For the turret, we have used Arduino. We turn on the Arduino with the help of a battery. Arduino is the microcontroller we have used. After that, on Arduino, we have used a Bluetooth module, a motor driver or shield, and a servo motor. We pair the Bluetooth module to our device on which our app is running. Now we can reload its power with the app. We use the elastic potential energy to fire the bullets stored in the stretched rubber band. For the locking of the stretched rubber band, we used a servo motor. For reloading, we used a gear motor controlled through motor shield attached on the microcontroller. For 360-degree rotation, we attached our turret to an Avishkar motor. For the base, we are powering it through two Avishkar motors. We control the base and the rotation with the Avishkar remote control app, and for shooting and reloading, we use our self-developed app.